take a look at these videos. I created all of them using just one powerful AI tool called Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI has recently added WAN 2.5 model, and with the help of this latest model, I have prepared all these videos you are watching. Higgsfield WAN generates high-definition videos up to 1080p, delivering crisp, cinematic visuals that beat traditional video production. This tool makes it incredibly easy to produce stunning, attention-grabbing visuals that can go viral. And best of all, unlimited offer are currently running on WAN 2.5 for Ultimate and Creator plans, plus daily free runs for all plans. So hurry up and take advantage of this offer.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. Click on the link given in the description below, and you will come to Higgsfield AI website. First you need to sign up. You can use Gmail or another email account. After logging in, you'll come to a page showcasing WAN 2.5 community videos created by other users. You can click on any of them to see the prompts and models used, and even download them. Now, to create video, click on Video button above and select Create Video to enter the workspace. Step 2. Image to video. Once you reach this page, you'll notice that the WAN 2.5 model is already selected by default. The first step is to upload the image you want to convert into a video. After that, enter your prompt in the prompt box. I've added a detailed prompt here so we can thoroughly test the WAN 2.5 model. To make the prompt even better, you can simply turn on the Enhance option. In the model section, although WAN 2.5 is pre-selected, let me show you that several other models are available as well, such as Higgsfield's own models, Kling, Google VO3, Minimax Hailuo, Cdance Pro, and more. However, since our focus in today's video is on WAN 2.5, we'll continue with this model. Next, we can set the video duration to either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. In the resolution section, you can select the video quality based on your needs. Just below, there's an option for unlimited mode, which allows you to generate unlimited videos in up to 720p resolution until September 30th. To use this feature, simply enable the option and click on the Generate button. After a short wait, here is the result. It's truly impressive. The WAN 2.5 model has generated the video exactly as described in the prompt. The girl is walking toward her house, and the sound of her footsteps is strikingly realistic. Now, let's test it with another image. Let's first upload the image which we want to convert into a video. In the prompt box, I'll enter this prompt. The boy is softly saying to the girl, "I love you." Let's see what kind of result we get this time based on our prompt. We'll set the duration to 5 seconds and click the Generate button. And here is the output.
I love you.
Once again, truly impressive. It's hard to believe these aren't real people. I am genuinely impressed with the quality of the video. This time, I will test the WAN 2.5 model with a more challenging prompt and a different image. First, I will upload the image, then enter a detailed prompt in the prompt box, one that I generated using ChatGPT. After that, I will keep all the other settings as they are, and simply click on the Generate button. And the result is here. Let's check.
Are you here to see the beauty of Paris?
Wow, this is mind-blowing.
Are you here to see the
Just
beauty
look at the
of
result.
Paris?
The boy's lip sync is spot on, and the girl's smile looks so natural and amazing. This is next-level stuff. To download the video, simply click on this download arrow icon. Step 3. Lip Sync Studio. Now, let's test out the Lip Sync Studio feature of this tool. First, click on the Video button and select Lip Sync Studio. Here, we will upload the image that we want to turn into a lip sync video. Next, head over to the Audio section and click on Audio. In this box, you can either type in your own script or upload one you have already prepared. By clicking on the Sound button, you can choose from the available voices, and with the Upload button, you can add your own audio file. I have already uploaded a few files, so I will just select one of them for this test. Next, we will enter a prompt in the prompt box that describes the gestures we want to see in the video. After that, we will head over to the model section and select WAN 2.5. Then, we will set the duration to match our audio length. I will go with 10 seconds. For the resolution, I will choose for 80p, since that allows us to enable unlimited mode. Finally, we will hit the Generate button, and after a short wait, the output is ready right in front of us.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
As you can see, the girl's hand movements and lip sync are perfectly aligned with the audio, creating a very natural effect. On top of that, the smooth camera movement takes the overall video quality to a whole new level, making the result look truly exceptional. Let's try one more time and see what kind of talking avatar we can create this time. First of all, we upload the image. After uploading the image, this time we skip the audio option and just enter the prompt in the prompt box. I enter this prompt. She is looking at the camera and talking with hand gestures. She said, "How do you like my house?" After that, we will select 5 seconds in the duration. And select the resolution of 720p. And finally click on the Generate button. And after waiting for few seconds, here is the result.
How do you like my house?
This result has definitely gone beyond my expectations. I honestly wasn't anticipating something this good. The video has been generated exactly according to my prompt, with excellent lip sync and incredibly smooth camera movement as it pans toward the house. See the results of these videos.
This one's my favorite flavor.
Higgsfield WAN generates high-definition videos up to 1080p, delivering crisp, cinematic visuals that beat traditional video production. Higgsfield WAN supports celebrities, stylized prompts, and even improper language, making it the first model ready for real internet culture. Unlike VO3, which maxes out at 8 seconds and 1 ratio, Higgsfield WAN pushes 10 seconds and supports 3 aspect ratios for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and more. Finally, I must say Higgsfield AI is a complete package. You can create AI image generation, AI video generation, video lip sync, and much more in just one platform. There is no need to spend money for different tools.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on notification bell so you don't miss out my upcoming videos.